You know what, guys? Well, first, hi to you all. Man, I've not been very well for a couple of days, actually. I'm feeling, I don't know, not well. Let's put it that way. Pretty lethargic, got not a lot of energy, a little bit yuck in the belly, all those things, tired, just want to go to sleep. And yes, Lily has been out all day. She came out at 8 o'clock, and as you can see, she's not overly impressed. I only just put her back in there roughly maybe half an hour ago, and she's still saying, hang on a minute, I wasn't really ready to go home because it's not 8 o'clock yet, Mum. It's only like, yeah, it's what is the time, man? It's 6 o'clock. Okay, so I'm 2 hours short of her normal time, and I'm kind of just hoping she'll go chill and lay up and go to sleep, but I just don't kind of see that happening. And you can hear a cat meow, and I've managed to drag myself off the couch and feed the cats. That's pretty much all I've been able to do today. I've uploaded, yes, a video. Well, she is going to curl up, guys. Isn't she a good girl? Like, you can't tell a snake, you know, Lily, I'm not feeling very well today, sweetie pie. Could you, maybe, and her light isn't really bright in there at the moment, so I'll brighten that up just so that we can maybe, okay, I'm pressing the wrong button. That's how bad my head is today. I'll let my cat go outside, and hey, it's just started to rain, which is beautiful. I love rain and listening to the rain. It's kind of soothing to the soul, I think, listening to the rain. And I know a lot of other people like it as well, but yes, my girl, spot rotten. Honestly, she is, I know, spot rotten. So yeah, I haven't, you know, I uploaded a video, and it was Lily and Jack. One of my busy days where really I didn't have the time to have my snakes out. But, you know, if I've got a spare hour even, I will take the time to get them out, even for that short amount of time. And I know it's never adequate for Lily, but you know, she doesn't understand me saying to her, look, you're coming out for an hour, sweetheart, and that's all you've got. Lily is the all day until Mum goes to bed. You watch. She hears that door, and she goes dead still. Okay? Yep. Door's open. What are you thinking? That you might come out? Or you might not? Oh, sorry, darling. I'm so sorry. It's just my hand. Lily has always been really, really head shy, guys. I've done a lot of work with her head. It look, honestly, has not made a huge lot of difference, but at least she's more accepting of me. Once she's recognized sort of hits my hand. You know, she's not too bad. Have I really upset your apple cart by doing that to you? I must have. Hey. But what I want to say is, you know, I've just clicked on the computer to check out who's uploaded and what videos have I missed, because I know, guys, I know that I've missed many today. I'd have to have. I miss a day and I miss so many people's uploads. So it only takes a day of not being on the computer and I get so far behind. So it's never ever deliberate on my behalf. I was just too not well, you could say, today. So, but what I wanted to say is I did click on, and the first video that I went to was TGH, which is, of course, we all know who that is, the Genetic Hunters. And I've got to say, guys, like, it was the live stream that I missed today. And I really wished I had been there. I love the community. I love the people in that community. I am so far away from all of you over there, but when I click into the live stream and I start chatting and everybody says, hey Gay, hi Gay, how you doing, Gay? You know, it just brightens my day. And today it would have, I think, really brightened a day when I was just feeling pretty miserable. And I kind of sat there looking at the chat, watching everybody chat away, and I'm thinking to myself, darn, I missed it. So, you know, I want to take that opportunity while I'm, you know, just sitting here, waiting for Lily to decide what she wouldn't like to do. She's kind of knowing too. Hang on a minute. Mum's opened the door again for me, and I know I've been out for a long time today, so she's extra spoiling me tonight. But you know, I do want to take the opportunity to say thank you to the Heather and of course Eddie and Tone and Bern and Iron Dog and Kentuckiana, and you know, I'm going to miss so many. You know, that Dion, Greg, so many people say hello. And honestly, guys, it means more to me than I think you'll ever know to be a part of it and to feel I'm actually a part of it. I don't have ball pythons. Jay's balls. You know, I don't have ball pythons. I don't. I have, of course, Lucy with Jay. But John Feely, I'll remember names. You know, David from Fairy Family. Grays, Bill from BC Pythons, Aldo. You know, while I'm remembering them, guys, because my memory is terrible, I'll say the names. But yeah, I did want to take the opportunity to say thank you to everybody. So that is really why I picked up the camera, so I could say thank you. And if people are watching and you don't know these people, believe me, they're wonderful and they're great. And if you've, you know, I do have some people that do have snakes, go check them out. Go say g'day. You'll be welcomed into the community. Even if you don't have ball pythons, you know, I'm a bit of the odd bod with carpets here. But many of them are picking up carpets too and starting to see just how amazing they are. So before my battery goes flat, I'm going to say, you know, that take care of yourself and kiss snakes.